It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Leeks bought the other day and a jar of gammon. I think this is ham, the Americans call it. It's nice having them on the shelves, but these are going to be used up and put in the freezer. The juicer has come off them. I'm saving, and that's going on Mason's dog food. The reason I'm doing this today is because I'm baking and I've got quite a bit of pastry left over, so I'm using it up. So that's the gammon in there with the leeks, and 2 eggs there, and I'll put a pastry top on it, and then that will go in the freezer. Leek with gammon and egg pie, and I'll probably put this in the freezer now, and when I take it out I'll put potatoes, vegetables, whatever with it. To the gammon and egg pie, I will be doing a jar of my home preserved potatoes, carrots and green beans, and also a jar of, well, it isn't a jar of, I've just made it up. It's some plum gravy that I will be putting on the side of the gammon and egg pie. I'll post pictures in a moment. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect